Hi class. Problem number 5 here for our story problems on our second day is probably out of the objectives that I assigned yesterday and that I assigned today, which is objectives 24, 25, 26, 27. I would say that this Tom and Todd problem is the one that I get the most questions on in previous years. So it's kind of nice that I could record a video so that you guys could access it wherever you have internet access to kind of solve this problem without asking me a question. If you want to, certainly come up to my desk and ask me a question on how to do this one. I could teach you how to do it face to face, but if a video works better for you, then this will be a good option. So it can be a little bit tricky to set up, but once you set it up, just like all our other ones, all you're doing is solving a system of equations by substitution or elimination. So our first sentence, Tom is 6 times as old as Todd. In English, I just read it. In math, I'm going to write it. Tom, which it'd be kind of nice to label one T and the other one a different variable, but because they both start with T, that doesn't work out too well. So let's just call them their names. Tom is means equals 6 times as old as Todd. So 6 times Todd is 6 Todd. There's our first sentence. Our second sentence is quite a bit more difficult. In 6 years, Tom's age will be 26 more than 2 times as old as Todd. So let's first break down this one. In 6 years, so that means Tom is now 6 years older and Todd is now 6 years older. So in 6 years, Tom's age is now Tom plus 6. His age will be, that means equals, Tom's age will be 26 more than 2 times as old as Todd. So this 2 times Todd, 2 multiplied by Todd's age after this 6 years has happened. So Todd's age plus 6, because it's 6 years later, 2 multiplied by that, here's this 2 times Todd's age, and then we also have this 26 more than. 26 more than. So let's go over this again. In 6 years, so that means Tom and Todd are both 6 years older. That's how we got the Tom plus 6 and the Todd plus 6. Tom's age will be, this means equals, and that's how we got this part, 26 more than, so 26 more than is this part right here, more than 2 times as old as Todd. So 2 multiplied by Todd, and Todd is right here because remember it's that Todd plus 6. Whew! So that second equation is a tricky one, but there is our system, and now we're going to solve. Because Tom is already by itself, let's substitute that in for this Tom. So because Tom equals 6 Todd, we're going to put 6 Todd into this equation. So we have Tom, which is 6 Todd. 6 Todd plus 6. That equals, let's distribute this now. 2 times Todd is 2 Todd. And 2 times 6 is 12 plus 26. Now let's solve. If we subtract 2 Todd right here, six Todd minus 2 Todd is 4 Todd. And then this right here makes 38. And then when we subtract 6 from both sides, we now get 32. So 4 Todd equals 32. So how old is Todd? Divide both sides by 4. Todd is 8 years old. 8 years old. So like always, let's go back up to the top. How old is Todd? And I believe Todd is the one that we found, correct? Yes, it is. Todd is 8 years old. So you just found it. There are going to be times in Excel math where it says, how old is Tom? Remember how old Tom is. Tom is 6 times as old as Todd. So if you take Todd's age and multiply it by 6, Todd's age, which is 8, multiply it by 6, we get Tom's age of 48 years old. And it's never a bad idea to check your work with that second equation as well. In 6 years, Tom's age will be 26 more than 2 times as old as Todd. Hoofta, that's a lot of checking. Well, you guys can check that on your own. I can help you check it in class if you'd like to as well. It would take me a while, and I don't want to take up your time with that in this video lesson. But if you'd like to check your work on that, you're certainly more than welcome, or you could ask me in class tomorrow.